Bafethu, yabona in my opinion, uLebogang Maboe bafethu is the main man at Kaizer Chiefs. Bafethu, class is permanent kulo mjito. Umjito lo uyalazi ibhola bafethu. Once he started to spray those passes, you could see okay ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs are starting to play football. Oxim Teto came in and he provided that stability for uLebogang Maboe to do what he does best, Buffett, in the midfield and dominate the midfield. That's when Kaizer Chiefs started controlling the game. You get what I'm saying? That's when you started seeing about Luke Badman. Impressive second half. I really liked his second half performance. That's when you started to see about Ethan Chislett because he started joining in the box and adding the creativity in the midfield. Buffett. Yabona once this guy gets injured or suspended, uzobona kahle ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, they can't control the midfield without uLebogang Maboe. What a player, Bafethu. I mean, Lomchita, when he got to Kaizer Chiefs, Bafethu, a lot of people, they were saying, hey, maybe he's old, injury prone, but since he has gotten to Kaizer Chiefs, and since Akalama game at Chiefs, Bafethu, you're starting to see what the Chiefs have got somebody who was Olazi Bola in the midfield. What a performance, Bafethu. Salute.
Kruger United ibulewe ngenduku, rightfully so. Ibingekhenze njani bekufanele bashawe labantu. And yazi mina ngirealizeni ukuthi laba sobashaya laba. Before igame iqala ba-interview coach Da Cruz, bayambuza ukuthi emfethu iChiefs iyodlala kanjani kule game. Waphendula uDa Cruz ngale language yakhe wathi control the ball. Athi laba sabashaya laba. Laba sabashaya laba sibashanga control the ball. Pega kwenzakaleni kule game le. If you check in the first half, the first 25 minutes of the game, dominance, complete dominance, controlling the ball, control the ball, controlling the ball, right? The tempo, the pressing. We knew when to trigger the press, and I like what they were triggering the press from the wing. Batman, because if you trigger the press from the middle, you disrupt the shape in the middle of the park and they can bypass it because Sekno Mundo Pumil, but trigger it from the wing using Batman. Salute. But Kaizer Chiefs lost control later on in the first half. But in the second half, Inyao Entanyeni waya. Yabona la kule game Kaizer Chiefs was so tactically flexible. Ngapha kwa right kuMonyani, uMonyani was playing as a wing back. He was offering the width because Uvilakazi aganayo imoto. So Uvilakazi cuts inside, Umonyani has to offer the width, you know. But if Umonyani cuts inside, Uvilakazi stays on the width. Same thing applies ngale kwa left. Ngale kwa left, Luke Badman was playing as a winger, not as a wing back, because Ufrosta was sitting back as a dead center back, so he doesn't have to cover. But now Chislett would operate inside, allowing Badman to run on the wing. But if Badman comes inside on the wing, Chislett Simbona are operator outside. That's why Chislett Bano Badman Gule game, they were so crucial in terms of operating in those half spaces on the left hand side. Kaizer Chiefs Yanob. Salute to my boy, salute to Monyani, what a game. Reinforcement, what a game. And of course, like as the Chiefs go to, they managed to score the goals. Da Silva on the first half, one Diletuba with the praise.
You can't say I didn't warn you, Kruger United. I even told you the exact scoreline we're going to beat you by.
Big trouble. 3-1.
You cannot take us to a carpet. Mbombela, did you see that third goal? We put together 1,000 passes. They thought they intercepted it, but no. Our engine, our piston, Maboe steals the ball. He's like, here, Dubai, gives him two on a plate. Here, go eat. 3-1, finished. We're done with you. Bartman is dangerous. Hey, we have a weapon that side. Is this what we've been containing last season, holding this weapon back? No, guys. That man's a danger man. Each time he got the ball, the defender must have been, because he knows the guy's coming direct. He's going to dribble, he's going to go past you. Imagine you're a defender and you know what's coming and you cannot stop it. That's what that defender was facing against Bartman. Dangerous play. No. First half when they scored that 1-1, I was like, don't do this to me, Kaizer Chiefs, because towards that goal, they were growing into the game. You could sense, you could smell, that goal is coming for Kruger United. And hey, fair play to Kruger United. Good finish. I think it was Ndlovu who scored that goal. Yeah, very good finish. But, never say that attitude. Second half, your Kruger were chasing shadows. Kruger did not know what was going on. People were just running past the board. You don't know who to mark. They were dizzy, Jay Kruger, just dizzy. Didn't know what was happening. I'm not even sure Kruger United knew that they played the second half. No, they didn't know. Because they could not deal with us. They could not contain us. The cruise ball. That's what I'm calling it from now on. The cruise ball. Dangerous. We made Kruger United twerk. Guys, but I said it earlier. But let me not say too much because it's only the first game. I said Kruger, bye-bye.
Ithele ngathi izandibhora nje iChiefs kule season. Sisuka nje seyikora igoli ezininzi kangaka. Futhi ndifuna ukuyilungisa le nto. Kuzawuduma into erongo ngoku ukuthi iChiefs ikore igoli ezininzi kunezi Pirates ngegame yokuqala. Ayikho loo nto leyo. iChiefs ibingadlali netimu yebhola. Ngabasebenzi abaya baseKruger National Park. Ndiyabazi mna abantu abaya. Hawu. Ngabasebenzi baseKruger National Park ababonisayo ngabantu ababonisa abantu xa beyile pha eKruger National Park bababonisa ukuthi this is a zebra, this one is a zebra, is stay in the water. Abonisa abantu isilwanyana ayingobadlali bebhola abo.
It ends in celebration today for Kaizer Chiefs in a game between Kaizer Chiefs and Kruger United. It's unfortunate to go to admin. Is not in the mood to create a poster, so we're going to have to use this picture. The scoreline ends up being 3-1 with goals amathathu with Kaizer Chiefs. Amabili scored by Wandile Duba and one scored by Uta Silva. And what Umonyane is doing in this game, in fact, in the last two games, including Scotland, right? Umonyane is literally submitting his CV to the coach Bafana Bafana. Coach olandelayo Bafana Bafana uyinikezwa kanje right now iCV by Umonyane. Umonyane is pleading a very strong case for him to be selected once again kwiBafana Bafana. I-performance yakhe, I'm loving what I'm seeing in that right flank when the Chiefs is attacking. The understanding between him and Uvila, I spoke about it in the last game, right? What I understood namhlanje Uvila are the runs that he needs to make whenever Monyane is explosive and going forward, whenever he has possession of the ball, right? And when you look at how Kaizer Chiefs scored, it's almost the same fashion as last weekend against Ilokuza. What is the team? Scotland. Last weekend, it was Uvila coming from the left and scoring. This day, today, it's Uvila coming from the, not from the left, from the right arm, and then providing an assist to Uta Silva. Where Umonyane was just so brilliant in namhlanje, especially in the first half. Solid in defense, explosive in attack, and combining very well with Uvila. I loved what I saw in the first 15 minutes of the game. There was great link-up play and combination. Chiefs departments. I'm gonna speak more about Chiefs in this game. They were playing Gama departments in the first 15 minutes of the game. What Uchizlet is doing as number 10, he loves playing more on the left wing than playing behind a striker. And it almost feels like it's a tactical decision by the technical team to keep number 10 more on the left wing than behind the striker. I mean, it works if you want to spread out, the defense, your opposition, so they don't focus on one person. But it works more when you have a left wing that is able to control the ball and keep possession of the ball for the team. And I don't think Batman was that guy when the game started. Even though he's the man of the match, I feel like he grew more in the game. Hence, he won a man of the match namhlanje. But if Uvelepai was the one that started the game, I think it could have worked a little bit better. I enjoyed to choose it namhlanje. There was a great link-up play towards the end of the game between him and Batman, but not so much when the game started. When it comes to the midfield, I think substitution it brought Kaizer Chiefs back in the game. You can't hate Unyambos. Unyambo say you can't hate unendawo yakhe leya team. So nje mina Kaizer Chiefs does include Unyambos as long as the management still keeps him. A game will at some point include Unyambos. Yabo. Great game by Wandile Duba, comes from the bench and scores goals amabili. I think there's going to be great competition between him and Uta Silva throughout the season, to see who eventually claims that position, if anyone needs to. But I think Babadlalisa Gahle, or coach Babadlalisa, from last season and this season, with Uta Silva starting, scored his goal, and then Ulukuza Uwandile Duba finishes off with amagola amabili. Otherwise, Chiefs was very solid at the back. I enjoyed how they defended Gule game. It was always going to take like a special and brilliant moment to get something from that backline. It was just too solid, man. That goal that was scored by Kruger, there was nothing Peterson was going to do there. It was always going to be like a special moment. But yeah, I enjoyed this game, but I still think there's just something missing. Maybe a certain attacker. Let's see what Upili has in store. Yeah, because I think there's just something missing in terms of the attack Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, great game, 3-1 win, definitely 3 points with a goal difference of U2, possibly number 1 on the log. Amakhosi ajabulile.
Ngoba ngishilo, we remain unshaken. Ngiyabezwa abantu bathukile. Thuswa yini? This is Kaizer Chiefs. This is a big club. This is what big clubs do. We are not surprised. We know this. Toyota Cup, kuvulwe league 3 points. Niyabona nje we are cruising. Ngoba sanitshela ukuthi uma sifake leli jazz leli yabona bo line, it means siyadlula, freeway cruising. Coach wethi igama lakho bani? Fernando da Cruz. We sekulento yo cruiser. Cruise ship. 3 points. Top of the log. Cups. Big club. So this is Kaizer Chiefs. We know this. Ushunwetwa this season, lo. This is who we are. Winners. We remain unshaken. Word of the day. Word of the season. We remain unshaken. As long as just file just freeway loy. So it's cousin uthi ayisiyadlula. Cruising. Guys, Kosi, we are so back. We are back. These are the days. We are back. Abashwe.
Sanibani bafethu. Okay. Yabona mai ngiyenzile match analysis nengiyazi yashota angihale nje isizini saqeda ukuqala analyze yonke into. Bafethu mina inkinga enginayo neKaizer Chiefs mayi1 emuva. Are you even aware ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ibackline yabo zwap izidlala ngo right, my right footed players, all of them. They compromised udayidengda bafaka uFrostler ku left back and udlala ngo right. You see that goal esil concedile. You can ukutshela konke nje ukuthi yay Chiefs this week they must try something. Try and find a left back bafana bam and find a one center back. Mina nje I don't feel safe with those guys. Like those guys, the moment the Kruger ifika up a mover, most of those shots Boago Peterson on team. The moment basondela ngaku center back yethu, it's a shot. Those guys were too casual. And ngishilo indaba ukuthi ngibabalile mina ama defender wethu. And the phezulu kwalo yazi ngikhalangani. They are not very comfortable around the ball. Enye into labantu bebadlala ngeprecision ebafethu nimbona izitha kunye kungakanani. Umthethwa. Na fana labantu mina uthi kushaya game number 10 ungasababoni bangaka. Bebayenzani labantu ngeprecision. Not precision man, off season. So nje bafethu i-backline yethu we need to fix our issues kusese early. We cannot rely on those guys. We cannot. Ngibona Miguel ayenze flying kick da ibola ngalibona libuya la kithi ngithi kusiyami Miguel sihambise a ball player emsimango abantu ba too slow. Yes, too slow mara and the people are not even aware. Iperinga kwinyika no Miguel akaze yasispanela siKaizer Chiefs. Akaze yatsama yahabutsa. behlezi neutralize makase uzitha noma Keith uMiguel noma Keith or umsimango nozitha or umsimango noma Keith or umsimango noMiguel, not Zitha and Miguel. Hayi leyo hayi isibhedlela.
Yini leni yakhayo nina? What is this narrative that you guys are trying to start, that now that Urele has left the country, Umfundo has to take after him and be the new president, Yama 2K? What is that? Stop it, because it won't work. Right? I'm not saying Umfundo is not good enough. I'm just thinking that I don't think his best can compete with the best of Urele. So you putting pressure on him that he now has to be the face of South African football. He now has to be the president, Yama 2K. It's unnecessary pressure, right? He doesn't need that pressure. Just let the boy play. However he plays, even if he doesn't perform, it will be fine, because now the pressure will be off him. You see, with the pressure, no guys, don't do it, right? I think I once said this. I think who really is one of those players that you get once every 10 years, man. Just give it time. It's fine. Just give it time. Because anyways, we do have the face of South African football. That is always there. New faces come and they leave. This face is always there. Tips. Player Sichaba. He's always there as the face. So let's stick to this one, to this face that is Debza, the permanent face that is always there for now, right? Until we find a new young face like Relay. But come on, let Mfundo play. Let the boy play. Relay was something else, right? He was something out of this world. Just let Mfundo play.
Okay, bafethu, that's it for ivideo yanamhlanje. I am not sure ukuthi uMori mfethu ithatha le nto la khuluma ngayo your face wara. I thought ukuthi sikhuluma ngeChiefs neKruger United la. But anyways, I couldn't angikhonanga ukuyibuka i-first half, bengisabusy busy ngezinye izinto. But ngikhonile ukuyibuka i-second half, and from what I saw in second half from Kaizer Chiefs, I am really impressed. I'm not saying they're going to win things, whatever. I'm just saying I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the way they played, especially Umnyane. Sometimes I question why did you even let Umnyane go? And also I look at the fact that we have Abo Speleby, Nabo Van Rooyen, right in that position there. But I feel like we had no reason as Pirates to let Umnyane go, especially because we development it. But again, seeing him playing with Chiefs, another big team, alokhu aqhubeka adlala mfethu aba umnyane lo esimaziyo thina siyi-Pirates mfethu. I'm happy for him, dog. Honestly, I'm happy for him. And I think lapha kuBafana Bafana ama-right back ethu mfethu it should be uMdau, uSibilibili noMnyane. I'm not saying uMathuludi is not a good player, but mfethu sometimes mfethu playing for a big team mfethu makes you a better player, bro. I don't know if I make sense mfethu yabo lento leyo. So having Umnyane, Sibilibili and Mdawi like right back Bafana is good for us, dog. So shout out for Umnyane and for the performances he's been putting up as of lately. And then you shout out to Mfundo for your assisting face. You know I like Mfundo face, so shout out for him for your assisting. And any interpretation ngayithandanga mfethu ukuthi ukore uDuba mfethu. I have beef noDuba mfethu. Abona ever since uDuba mfethu wahlaba umakhala kula final Nedbank. Mhlawumbe angazi ukuthi beef nice because Chiefs won their Nedbank layer, but I have beef noDuba mfethu. Hey, that guy young frustrated mfethu, but at the same time I can't downplay his quality. uDuba mfethu is a striker, bro. And I think it's gonna be a good season for no Silva, because those guys they just tend to score. Bayakora nje mfethu, and then we look at Mbuthuma wethu and be like, Mbuthuma, bro. It doesn't. I wonder who doesn't need ama-changes amaningi. I was just telling uBhuti manje ukuthi uDa Silva noDuba, they don't need a lot of chances to score. Maybe 2-3 and they score, maybe 1 they'll score. They might not have a game entwempu, but they will score. uDa Silva will score mfethu. Khona le goal mfethu alishaya mfethu ethena mfethu walikahlela. I was like, hayibo. Igoal mfethu lelana mfethu elinjani, ngiqala ukulibona la goal from a striker esawutaka kanje mfethu yabo. So I think it's going to be a good season for the Chiefs, but at the same time, I'm going they're going to be ukushaya abantu, because last season this is how they started. Bashaya abantu until Skukuni came along and everything just went downhill from there. So this season, I'm not going to be like yeah, i-Chiefs. No, this season mfethu ngicalm. Even nge-Pirates, I'm chilled mfethu yabo. So bona after 15 games ukuthi kwenzakalani. But for now, I'm chilled. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for commenting and subscribing. Thank you guys for not skipping on my ads. And ngizonibona bafethu ngegame elandelayo. Thank you for tuning in.